Snapchat temporarily disabled issue mainly occurred due to a violation of Snapchat terms of service and community guidelines. There are some way to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled problem. First of all, check your email. If you receive any email from Snapchat team about suspension, please wait for the suspension to end. Another method is contact with Snapchat support team. Tap on My account is locked. Now click on My account has been temporarily locked. Now tap on Go in there. From here you log in to Snapchat and unlock your account.